I'm Kim Shanahan. I'm the owner of Gifts Fulfilled, based in Berlin, Maryland. We create care packages and gift baskets that we sell on Amazon. My husband Adrian has been in the Army for coming up on 20 years, and we have 3 children. Our oldest is a senior at West Point. Our daughter is Colleen. She's 15 years old, is sophomore in high school. And our youngest is 7, and he's a second grader in elementary school, and his name is Daniel. When we moved to Maryland 2 years ago, I started the company. Gifts Fulfilled creates gifts for Valentine's Day, Secretary's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas. I think we've hit every holiday that happens in the United States. The best part about what I do is we hire people that have disabilities and they assemble our gifts for us, and it's a great way to create jobs for a segment of the community that usually has a hard time finding jobs. When I turned 40, I became pregnant, and during that pregnancy they talked a lot about having a child that might be born with a disability, and so I had a lot of time to think about what that would be like, and my biggest concern was his adult life. Once he turned 18, where would he work? What would he do? How would he live? It stuck with me that I could create a company that created jobs for people that had a hard time finding jobs and whose parents would be worried about them when they turned 18. And so the idea for Gifts Fulfilled was born. I think it's really important for small companies to do what corporations have a hard time doing, which is break the mold.